Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Silence is a source of great strength. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. If you do not change direction, you may end up where you are heading. Act without expectation. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. He who controls others may be powerful, but he who has mastered himself is mightier still. The best fighter is never angry. When you realize nothing is lacking, the whole world belongs to you. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. At the center of your being, you have the answer. You know who you are, and you know what you want. Respond intelligently, even to unintelligent treatment. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. In dwelling, be close to the land. In meditation, go deep in the heart. In dealing with others, be gentle and kind. In speech, be true. The wise speak because they have something to say. Fools speak because they have to say something. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Simplicity, patience, compassion. These three are your greatest treasures. Be content with what you have. Rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. The more that laws and regulations are given prominence, the more thieves and robbers there will be. The softest things in the world overcome the hardest things in the world. To attain knowledge, add things every day. To attain wisdom, remove things every day. Thank you for joining us. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.